Let us now look at an environmental management plan of a working mind. Two types of plans are usually included. The first is environmental management plan for the lease area, and the second is called key plan, which will include an area of 5 kilometers radius all around the lease. This is how an environmental management plan will look like. It should show all the infrastructure and land use type that is already existing in the lease area. Look here, this is the lease boundary. This is the working pit. This is a dump. There is a beneficiation plant here with a tailing pond here. These are the offices and a workshop here. There is also a stream here and a temple. So all these existing features should be included in the environmental management plan. Then the remedial measures adopted or proposed should be shown in this plan. For example, afforestation. The dump here has been shown as afforestate. Plantation has been also done all along the road here. All along the river stream also plantation has been carried out here. Air monitoring stations have been marked here 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is at the pit where there will be excavators working, and therefore dust will be generated here. Similarly, at the beneficiation plant, there will be dust generated. So there is one air monitoring station here. Where people are working, there may not be any dust here, but wind usually plays a major role in uh, suspended particulate matter, in the transfer of suspended particulate matters, SPMs. So therefore, wherever people are working, there should be a air monitoring station, for example, here as well as near the temple. Similarly, water samples should be collected wherever there is a water body or there is a mine discharge. I have shown here water in the pit. That means there is working below the water table. So a sample, water sample will have to be taken here, and if there is a pumping of water from the pit, then the discharge sample has to be also taken. Similarly, the sample at the tailing pond should be taken. There's a well here. The well must be also tested. Wherever the stream is entering this lease area and wherever it is leaving this lease area, both the points must be sampled. Similarly, necessary rubble walls or check dams must be constructed wherever there is a possibility of soil erosion or siltation. Noise should also be monitored in the mining pits near the plant, wherever people are working, or any religious place like this. Another very important aspect is the mine drainage. Though I have not shown exactly the mine drainage, it is very important to understand that mine drainage plays a very important role in overall environmental management of the mining lease, because during the rainy season the dumps may be eroded, or there may be an overflow of water from the mining pit, causing floods in the nearby area. So therefore mine drainage plays a very important role. So all the drainage channels should be either diverted to the mining pit, or if the channels are directed outside the mining lease, they should be uh, so they should be uh, check dams all along these mine drains. Also, there should be continuous spraying of water along all the roads to suppress the dust. So all these features will be included in an environmental management plan of a mining lease. Then we move on to the key plan. The key plan, the same lease area I have shown here, there will be a core zone around the mining lease, which will be draw around 500 meters from the lease boundaries, and the buffer zone here is 5 kilometer, has got a radius of 5 kilometers. Now this is the requirement of MCDR. If you are applying for environmental clearance to Ministry of Environment and Forest, then the radius of the buffer zone goes up to 10 kilometers. But for the purpose of mining plan approval, buffer zone and data about buffer zone within 5 kilometers is sufficient. So what should be included in what type of data should be included in a buffer zone? I have enlisted here. All the contours should be shown like this. I have not shown at all the places, but this is one example here. The drainage and the water bodies. Example, this is a river here. There is a spring also here. There are smaller streams which are joining the main river. So all these must be shown. Then the human settlements. All these areas are human settlements. Villages, towns with boundaries. If I have not shown the village boundaries here, but I have shown the names here: Dharbandada, Kodli, Tatodi, like this. All the names of the places must be shown. The road network, railways, any if any, should be shown. Here, this is a road. Here, these are all roads. Then the forest cover and wildlife sanctuaries, if any, must be shown. So here this color has been given for forest cover. I've shown a little different color pattern here for a wildlife sanctuary. Then agricultural land, horticulture, plantations. I've shown this yellow color here for all this type of land use. Predominant wind pattern must be also shown. Here I have shown a rose diagram to show the wind pattern. Industrial areas, if any. Other mining leases. See here, these have been demarcated here. These are the mining leases. There's one here also. Educational institutions, hospitals, if any, they should be marked. The uh, mine pit water discharge from here should be also demarcated. And all the monitoring stations again for air, water, noise, wherever you have decided outside the core zone, that is in the buffer zone. For example, here there are air monitoring stations and noise monitoring station here, here, here there are, here there are, okay, as well as water monitoring stations. For example, wherever the river enters your buffer zone, and then when it is very close to your mining lease, and when it uh, goes out of the buffer zone, all these points, any other water body like this spring or wells around must be sampled for quality and checked regularly. So all these features must be shown in a key plan, and the data that is generated through these monitoring stations are compiled and analyzed for further corrective measures. I've also included some exercises here for you all. You can go through this and practice similar things. Thank you.